like to extend a very warm welcome to the first ever McKinsey Innovation Forum in Indonesia.
It's special today, not just because it's this innovation forum, it's also special because it's 20 years for McKinsey in Indonesia. We are also celebrating the 20th year anniversary for us.
In the digital world, it's all about trust. It's very easy to pick up significant customers in a short period of time. It's also very easy to lose them in a very short period of time. One mistake, it ruins your brand. But if you have one and if you manage it, it's a unique opportunity. So these are not only the startups who will just like grab the pie, the incumbents based on their key strengths can also do that.
And obviously this is reaching also Indonesia, where basically the number of internet users, particularly to mobile, is increasing fast. Cloud technology is happening. Internet of Things, we're already having 40 million devices connected. And in terms of internet traffic, that is also growing rapidly. Conti will take us now through a little bit more from the opportunity in Indonesia.
As Michael was saying, the digital revolution has arrived in Indonesia. We see it and we feel it all around us. But just how far has Indonesia gone in the digital age? And to answer that question, we looked at 6 areas of digitization, and we collected data from over 20 countries.
This will help us continue to advance our research about digital in Indonesia because everyone in here are the leaders. And leaders, as Michael mentioned, is one of the crux of pushing digital in Indonesia. Thank you. So my first question to you all is what does digital mean to you?
Digital for me are these 3 elements I mentioned, and I believe also in the oil and gas industry, although it's not shy from data, it actually is going to make a significant difference.
I think digital means the opportunity, digital means equality, digital means access, digital means giving people a chance to equalize whatever we have situation we have. I think that's from me.
Digital actually provide the opportunity of changing competitive landscape. In the past, big fish eat small fish. Now, small fish eat big fish. And the big fish needs to make sure that you don't get eaten by the small fish.
The most disruptive business is 4.6 or 4.3 is telecommunication. My business disrupts every day. You name it, it happens. Whether it is Facebook, whether it's Twitter, they write on my network. The faster my network, the better my network, I can disrupt even more. Because the more intelligent my network is, Google has more knowledge of my customers. Facebook will also get more knowledge of my customer. I presume some Facebook per year. So to me, digital means first, it has to be electronic, leverage on the computing that I think Andreas talked about. The other one, I think you talk about disruptive. Most digital business, in my mind, is disruptive.
This is important because as well as businesses are growing, and many of these businesses are still growing at 20, 30, 35% per annum, they have to change. Because as the presentation previously said, how do you go bankrupt gradually and then suddenly? I absolutely believe that's the case. When you innovate, when you have to, and it's probably too late. So for our existing businesses, it's that first bucket of how do you retool your businesses.
I think as we learned this morning, being digital is also about strategy, it's about culture, it's about the organization DNA. And so what we have this tool which is called DQ. Just like your IQ, you have your DQ.